श्यामला वार्तालिबाला समेत श्री ललितांबिकायै नमः। लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता क्षमात्मिका. These names, Lokatita, Gunatita, Sarvatita, Shamatmika, essentially summarizes the substance of Lalita, the essence of Lalita. So, Loka Atita, right? Lokas are the 14 lokas. She is beyond those 14 lokas, Lokatita. So, the word Lalita, the name Lalita itself means Lokatita Lavanyam. Lavanya is beauty. Lokatita Lavanyam is Lalita. Lokatita Lavanyam. Because she is Mahalavanya Shevadihi. Mahalavanya Shevadihi. Lokatita. So, the different ways of looking at it is, if you look at the Brahmanda point of view, the Manidvipa or Kailasa is our abode. And where is that Manidvipa, Kailasa? It is beyond the Brahmanda. The Brahmanda composed of 14 Chaturdasa Bhuvanas. So beyond the Satyaloka, we have the Manidvipa or Kailasa. So in that sense, it is Loka Atita, beyond the Lokas. So in Sri Chakra, the 8 avaranas, starting from Trilokya Mohana Chakra, going inward towards the Bindu, the first 8 avaranas are the Lokas. Whereas the Bindu, the 9th avarana, is the Lokatita position. And Kameshwarankasta, so she is on the lap of Kameshwara here as Kameshwari. And that in that sense, she is Lokatita from a Sri Chakra point of view. Gunatita. Gunatita. Gunas are, we already talked about Sattva Guna, Rajo Guna, Tamo Guna. So she is beyond those 3 gunas, Trigunatmika. So she is in those 3 gunas. And she is Trigunatita as well, right? In that sense, she is Gunatita. So, because she is Shuddha Tattva, Shuddha Manasa, she doesn't have the taint of any of these 3 gunas, Sattva, Rajo, Tamo Guna. The Sattva, Rajo, Tamo Guna is the quality of Upadi, right? So, she is Nirguna Brahma, Nirguna. So, there is no guna there. Whereas Saguna Brahma is when the Devi Lalitambika takes a form for the devotee, that is with a quality, Sattva Guna, Rajo Guna or Tamo Guna. So when she takes Tamo Guna, she becomes Durga or Kali. So in that sense, Gunatita is, she is beyond the gunas, Trigunas. Sarva Atita. Sarva Atita. So she is beyond all. Beyond all. So there are no vikaras at all here, right? So she doesn't have all those 17 doshas like ragas, mamakara, ankara, samshaya, beda, bhava. All those 17 doshas are not there. And there is no cycle of birth, death, growth, decay. She doesn't have any of those vikaras. So she is Sarva Atita, Sarvatita. Lokatita, Gunatita, Sarvatita, Shamatmika. Shamatmika, Shama, Kshama. Shama is Shamanam. What is Prashamanam? What is Shamanam? Shamanam is Shantam, peace, tranquility. What is Prashamanam? Right? Roga Prashamanam. Roga Prashamanam means one who is relieved from the suffering of whatever disease they have. When the, for example, headache goes off, right? That is prashamanam. Prashamanam. So Shamatmika means she is the essence of peace or tranquility. So Prapancha Upashamanam. Prapancha Upashamanam. Because the very nature of Shiva and Shakti is Shantam. Because she is Shantimati, Shanta, Shantimati. She is full of Shanta Rasa. So in that sense she is Shamatmika. So the peace or the tranquility is not there when somebody has got their Stula, Sukshma and Karana Sharira. When they identify themselves with Stula, Sukshma and Karana Sharira, and those shariras have all the vikaras of birth, death, growth and decay, then the cycle of peace and everything starts. Shamatmika is essentially referring to, she is the essence or embodiment of Shama, which is peace, tranquility. Lokatita, Gunatita, Sarvatita, Shamatmika, Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya, Bala, Leela, Vinodini. Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya. Bandhuka Kusuma, the botanical name is jungle geranium. So you must have seen geranium during the summer season. It's a shrub, but the jungle geranium flowers are reddish in color. So Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya. So this is taking us back to the Rupa Varnana, right? Rupa Varnana in the sense like she is Sarvaruna, Dadimi Kusuma Prabha, Japa Pushpa Niba Kritihi. In that sequence we have this Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya, the red colored thing, flower. So Shakti is always red colored, whereas the Shiva is white colored, right? Shuddha Spatika, Sankasham, right? That is Shiva. Whereas the Rakta Charanam is Shakti. So Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya. The other meaning of Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya is the what comes after the Bindu is the Trikona, the triangle around the Bindu, which is the Sarva Siddhi Pradayaka Chakra, and that has to be meditated upon. Where is the red colored triangle, and either in the center of the red colored triangle is the Bindu. So in that sense it is referring to the Sarva Siddhi Prada Avarana, the 8th Avarana in Sri Chakra. Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya. Bala, Leela, Vinodini. So these can become two names or it can become one name. Bala is one, Leela Vinodini is another one, or Bala, Leela, Vinodini can be taken together as one name. Bala. Who is Bala? Bala is the, you can call her as daughter of Bala Tripura Sundari, or Lalita Maha Tripura Sundari is one way of looking at it. The other way of looking at it is it's the young teen form of Lalita Maha Tripura Sundari. Just like how you have Bala Krishna, right? Bala Krishna, you have Bala Ganapati, you have Bala Subramanya. So these are all the young forms of Ganapati, Subramanya and Krishna. Similarly here you have Bala, Lalita, Maha, Tripura Sundari, right? So She is one of the great Parivara Devatas. Bandaputra Vadodyukta Bala Vikra, right? Bandaputra Vadodyukta Bala Vikrama Nandita. So Lalitambika was extremely happy with the valor of Bala Devi during the battle with Mandasura, where she kills 30 Bandaputras, sons of Banda, with one arrow. Right? Bala. Interestingly, Bala and Lalita, these names come only once during or twice, for example, for Bala, and Lalita comes only once during the entire Sahasra Nama. So what is the nature of child? The nature of child is to be playful, right? Playful. So child means playful. They are meant to be playful. So similarly here Bala is Leela Vinodini, right? Leela. Leela is what? Leela is play. So Leela is play. Vinodini is Lalitambika, right? Is extremely joyous or happy looking at the play of Bala. Bala, Leela, Vinodini. Bala, Leela, Vinodini. For us, Bala means, what does Bala mean? Bala means for her the Brahmanda is like a Leela, like because she is Leela Klapta Brahmanda Mandala, right? Leela, and she is Leela Vigraha Dharini, Leela Vinodini. So the entire thing, the entire Brahmanda is like a play for Bala. The other meaning of Bala is those devotees who are in the Jivan Mukta Avastha are called as Balas. Those who have achieved salvation here, they are called as Bala. The Bala mantra is Trakshari, right? Trakshari Divya Gandhadya Sindhura Tilakanchita. That Trakshari name is the 3 Aksharas. So the Bala mantra is 3-lettered mantra. And of course Bala is Kshipra Prasadini as well, because she is young. Ajakshaya Vinirmukta Mugda Kshipra Prasadini. So Bala Ambika is Kshipra Prasadini, bears fruits quickly, right? Because a child doesn't hesitate to do things. The third meaning for Bala is Bala Pradayini iti Bala Pradayini iti Bala. The Bala here is strength, strength of mind, prana and the Rupam. So the Poshana Shakti is Bala. Bala Pradayini iti Bala. So may Balambika, Bala Lalita Maha Tripura Sundari bless us. Lokatita Gunatita Sarvatita Shamatmika Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya Bala Leela Vinodini. The Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya can also be linked to Bala here, because she is Sarvaruna, just like her mother Lalitambika. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha.